This piston has a number 13 stamped on the top of it. This one has 11, and this one has 11. I'm wondering what that means. In the, you know, my thinking is if there was anything stamped on there, it would be, if these were oversized pistons, it would have a, what would look like a .03 or something like that. It would be like 30 thousandths over or something like that. 13? I don't know. I don't know what 13 would stand for. Maybe I'll put it out on the interweb and get Mr. Heavy Chevy or Rusty Acres, one of them guys, to tell me. Oh boy. That appears to be pretty good right there. This one has a 12 on the top of the cylinder. Now, another thing, if I was thinking in my hot rod ways, I could think 13:1 compression ratio, 10:1, 11:1, something like that. But these pistons all appear to be about the same. And I guess it could be that pistons could have numbers, compression ratio numbers on them. It could denote an aftermarket set of pistons here. Let me get something to clean that up a little better down in there. I need me some good carburetor cleaner or brake fluid or something like that. I could splash a little acetone in there. That would probably do it. Actually, even a little bit of gasoline would work, I bet you. Got me kind of wondering what these other pistons say. See if I can flip this up without knocking y'all down. Oh, y'all are going with us. That's okay. So not all of these are marked. Yeah, there. That one's got an 11 on it. This one's got a 12 on it. Oh yeah, there's a 13 on that one. So, what does this one have? Anything? They are all marked. Well, I say they are. That one doesn't appear to have a mark. This one has an 11, a 12, a 13 over here. Huh. I'll take a picture of that, send it to Mr. Heavy Chevy, see what he says. Be right back.